Welcome, everyone. If you have recently joined us, just say a quick hi to me. And it's celebration time for you all. We are 1K now. If you look at the screen, it said that now. Congratulations, everyone. We are 1K now, and it's celebration time for you all. We'll celebrate a little bit and then we'll do little maths. First, I want to say thanks to you all because all of you were here since I don't have 4,000 watch time. That's the next thing we need to do. Our watch time is we are less 1,000 watch time. So we all of you need to watch our videos more now. Try going and watching our previous videos so that we can also do it the watch time. We can increase our watch time. And that's why I got a challenge for you guys now. The math challenge to win a certificate and a medal for you all. There's a party today. It's not a party today, but we'll plan a party during the weekend. So when all of you can do it, we'll try doing the party during the weekend. Now the next is for you guys to tell me if you have joined us since beginning. You know that we did a lot of videos about maths. So the challenge to win the prize for you all is you need to tell me how many videos we made for maths and the topics of the videos. If you will be able to do it and you will be able to write in the comment box, you might win. I'll do a lucky draw on Wednesday and you might win a prize, a merit basically. How I'm supposed to know? You can go back to the channel and see all the videos what we have. You're supposed to go back to the channel and see how many videos we made for maths, and then you're going to tell me how many videos are there and write in the comment box. You need to watch that videos and tell me you're not going to tell me, oh, there are 10 videos. You need to tell me what topics the videos were on, because we made so many videos for you guys, and all that live sessions have different topics every week. So you can have a look at the topics and see what we did. That's something good for you all. To do it, you need to watch more videos in our ALT now, in our YouTube channel. Try watching more videos now. There are so many videos for different topics. Can we play math frame? We are going to do algebra today because I was told by your parents that we should be doing more of algebra because some of you struggle in algebra. So I got a really easy algebra for you guys. It's not bad, it's easy one. And there was so less. Yesterday we had really less children who came for what do you say? There were really less children who came for the creative writing class. There were only 5 or 6 of you all who were there, and I was missing the rest of you. I was missing the rest of you. I know, Oliver, you came. Mathuna came. I was celebrating Eid. That's fine, Manish, I know. Ibrahim is here. Ibrahim, you didn't came yesterday. I was missing all of you. Shorty came yesterday. Shorty, did you come yesterday? I'm thinking. Preet came. Preet, that's not the only thing. We have a lot of things. You have to go and look at the videos first and then tell me What are the topics the videos were on? I did not come because I was on the beach. I hope you enjoyed your beach. Yes, Rishik, you were there. Yep, there are medals. I have two. Good. So all of you have won so many medals. Did you guys? I have one. I wish I could. 135 videos. That's the normal videos. What about the maths one? And what about the topics about the maths one? Yes, we can have a Zoom party. It'll be not a Zoom party. It will be something on Facebook. It's called a room. It's something like your Facebook party only. It's like Zoom party only, but it's through Facebook. It's really nice. I can send you guys the link and we can invite you all to come and have it. Can you see our faces? Yes, in that room, I can see all of your faces. Do I get a medal for creative writing? I'm confused. You last week, 2 weeks we had medals. We had certificates, not medals. But this week we might have medals for your face for your creative writing. Can you see our faces when we have that party? As it's like Zoom, so we can have it. We can arrange something for this weekend on Sunday sometime. In the morning on Sunday, if you guys have your tuition, just let me know. We can plan something for Sunday. We can have it some. We can not have any creative writing class on Sunday. Instead of that, we can have a party on Sunday at 4. Chat won't work. No, it's live. It will be it will be a party. Sunday is fine. That's good. What time of Sunday you guys want? Decide the time among yourself and let me know the time you all want. On Wednesday, you can tell me the time. That's the perfect time. What's the perfect time? 12 or 4? 2, 6. Wait, can we do it at 3:30? 4. Pankri saying 12. 1. Pankri, what will happen to your food then? You'll be hungry. 11 or 3? I think so. All of you are saying 3. Can I join? Yes, you can. Everybody can join. Mathuna is saying 11 or 3. Charvisha. Okay. The deadline for giving the book review, it's on Thursday. Let's do 3:30 as I have swimming at 4. So you want to Oliver has swimming. So we can do it in the morning if you guys do it because Mathuna is fine with the morning. She said that she can do at 11 in the morning. So we can do the same time as we guys do, 12 in the morning. So we can do it in the morning. We can do the same time what you guys like in the morning. 12 in the morning, time set. I am not free then. What time? At 12? You can't do in the morning. So let's do 4 in the evening then. Everybody's saying 4. We can do it at 3:30 so that Oliver can attend half of it and then he can go. So the time is being done. It's 3:30 now. 3:30. Listening to everyone. We have decided the time is 3:30. So let's do 3:30. 3:30 then. I'll give you guys the link on Wednesday when you come for your non-verbal class. The links will be given to you guys. So I'll see every one of you. What are you going to do? One dislike. What's that? We are going to have a party on 3:30. We are going to have a party. Okay, let's start doing the maths now. Not today. That's on Sunday. That's on Sunday, guys. That's on Sunday. We won't have a creative writing class on Sunday. Instead of that, we're going to have a party. Let's do maths now. As I told you, we'll be doing algebra in maths. Where is the link? I'll make the link and I'll give you guys the link. Don't worry. I'll put the link in 11 plus ALT group and I'll give you the guys the link on Wednesday also. You can just click on the link and do it. You want to have Ishita? Ishita, come. They want to say hi to you. She's coming. Come.
I am.
Come near me. Come down. Look up.
That looks better.
Say hi.
Hi. How are you?
They're saying celebrating.
That's good.
Ishita's quieter now.
Yeah.
Kajal, you spelled Ishita wrong. It's Ishita. She's writing her spellings now for you guys. They're asking, how are you, Ishita?
Good.
They're saying hello to you.
Hi. What did you do today in the morning?
Guys, she's asking you, what did you all of you did in the morning today? Did all of you have some good time? How old is Ishita? Ishita is only 4 years old.
Oh.
Ishita is only 4 years old. You know her age? 16 or 17? She's 16. She just turned 16. Kajal, she's 16. Let's start maths now. You were doing your homework, Yogi. That's good. You knew it. That's good. Yes, she is 16. Let's start doing maths now. And we're going to do algebra as I told you guys. So let me share my screen now. Done. Should I hide myself now? Or you want to see me today? I hate algebra. You will love algebra after today. Don't worry. So can you see the first one? That's an easy one. The first one is 3x plus 4x minus 2x. You like algebra? That's good. Remember, in algebra, first we will add 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5x. So all of you got the answer. That's really good. Try doing the next one now if you've done the first one. The first one was easy. It's 3m plus 3m. You're just going to add them up and it's 6m. N plus n plus n. Again, you're just adding them and then you're getting your answer. It will get harder. In the beginning, it's easy. So let's do it. Add these two first. That's 7x. 7x minus 2x. That gives you guys 5x. And the next one, we are just adding them up. 3 plus 3 is 6m. In this, again, we are adding all of them up and we are doing n plus n plus n is 1, 2, and 3. 3n. It's plus. It's you just add them up. So let's go on to the next one now. Yeah, that's 3n. My n is little bad in this one. Don't worry about that. Let's move on to the next one. Now we are getting little complicated. Let's do this one now. It's getting little harder for you guys, but I want to see how you can do it. It's still easy. Simplify a plus b plus c. You're just multiplying them and you're getting your answer. A, B, C. And good. I'm just putting all your answers. Put on the next one. 5p minus 2p gives you what? ABC, ABC. And the next one is simplify 5p minus 2p. That gives you all to the answer 3p. That's good. And after that, you need to simplify 3h divided by 3. You're just dividing it and writing your answer. You need to see in 3's table, when you get 6, that's 2. So your answer would be 2h. So your answer would be 2h in that one. Pankri is given all the answers. So let me give you the answers. This one is A, B, and C. This one is we are just minusing them is 3p. And in this one, we are just dividing it. And the answer is 2h. This is so easy. It'll get hard. Don't worry. Moving on the next one now. I'm zooming in. Don't worry. I'll zoom in a little bit. It's not me. Ishita's hidden my face. Don't worry about that. Number 5 we already did. Oh, yes, there's number 5. Okay. Do it now. K plus 8. How would you do this one now? You're just going to add k. K plus k is 2k plus what gives you that? 2k plus f. Swanil had got it right. That's good. Pankri, you got it wrong. When you have something like this, remember we are just going to add the k together. K plus k is 2k plus 8. So it'll be 2k plus 8. It's getting harder now. You're just going to add these two up. That will be 2k plus 8. We cannot add 8 plus this. Remember, you cannot add them together. So try doing the next one now. Is 4 multiplied by 3x. How would you guys do that? In this one, you're just going to multiply it and you're going to do it. 4 is to 3 is 12. And then you will write, don't forget to write your x in that. It'll be 12x. Good. And the next one, you all got that one right. And the next one is, the answer for number B is wrong, guys. You're getting number B wrong. In number B, you have 7a minus 3a plus 6a. So you're just, oh yes, right, sorry. Pankri is right. Number B is also right. You're just adding them up. First try to minus them and then add them up. So 7a minus 3a is 4a plus 6a. Then we add 6 plus 4. That gives you 10a. So in this one, we are just multiplying them. And then we are getting our answer as 12x. In the next one, we are just simplifying and we are doing 7a minus 3a plus 6a. That gives us a total of 10a. When we do that, we will get 4a because we are minusing these two first, plus 6a. If we add them up, that gives us 10a. Good. Let's move on to the next one now. Number 7 would be down. Let me rub this out. Try doing number 7 and 8 now. Number 7 is 8g plus 6h minus 3g plus h. Take the h's together and take the g's together and then find your answer. Sava got it right. And the best way of doing this is so that you don't get confused. You should just put the bracket and do and then another bracket which has your and when you open the brackets you have 5g. Don't forget the sign. We'll get the sign of the bigger one. 6h plus, sorry, this is h. 6h plus h is 7h. That would be your answer. The next one is simplified. 3 is to b into 9. Just multiply. 9 is to 3 is 27. And don't forget your b. That will be 27b. So we are just multiplying these two. And then we are just writing b there. It will be 27b. The next one is 3x minus 3y minus 6x minus 4y. Again, don't forget your signs. So we'll write 3x minus 6x would be in our first bracket. Our second bracket would be minus y and minus 4. When you're doing that, remember minus and minus, the signs minus and minus becomes plus. So if you have two minus signs, you just need to plus them. So 2x plus 6y, we take the sign of the bigger one, is 4y. And here the sign will remain the same, but we are adding them up. It will be 7y. Sorry, 7x and 7y. 7 minus 4x minus 7y. No, A gaming, the signs are same, so you're multiplying, you're adding them, you're not subtracting them, because minus and minus becomes plus. And we always take the sign of the bigger one. If you look at 2x minus 6x, the sign is, we'll take the sign of the bigger one, that's minus 6. So we'll take the sign of 6, that's minus. So it'll be minus 4x. And in this one, we are just adding them up. Minus 3y, minus 4y, because minus and minus becomes plus. You're just adding them up. Shaurya, it is 7. It's 7y. Because you're adding them up. Minus and minus becomes plus. You don't have minus there. There's no minus there. There's no plus and minus. So minus and minus becomes plus, and then we are adding them up, and remember the sign remains the same, is minus 7y. So let's move on to the next one now. I'm going to zoom a little bit more for you all, so you can see it. 8c plus 3d minus c plus 2d. Try doing this one now. Remember, like we did, try making the c's together and the d together. So I'll do a little bit for you guys so you don't get confused. 8c minus c, the next bracket is 3d plus 2d. That's an easy one. And we take the sign of the bigger one. Remember that? So it's 7c. If you take the sign of 8, that's positive. So it'll be 7c. And the next one, it will be plus what? You're just adding them up. Is 5d. Good. Mathuna has got it right. So the answer for this one is 7c plus 5d. This is the easy one. The next one is really easy. You just need to add them up. F plus F plus F plus F plus F. 5f. Good. That's the answer of all the f's. Again, in this one, let's do the same way. 5a plus 2a. This is for the a's. And now it's turn of my b's. Give me the answer now. Yogi, let me see. Yes, you got it right. It's 7a plus 5b. Shaurya, see again. 5, it can't be 5a again. It'll be 5b. A Gaming got it right. So it is 7. I'll write it down here. 7a plus 5b. That's your answer. Aiden is here now. Oliver got it right. You love algebra. That's good. You love algebra. Let's move on to the next one now. Oh, number 11 is down. So we need to rub all this. Try doing number 11 now, sorry. Two a plus 3b, that's an easy one. Because your answer would be also be, you're just, when you have multiplication, you just multiply them and write ab. So it'll be 6ab. That was an easy one. Just multiply them and then get your answer as 2ab. The next one, 2p plus 2p. Again, just multiply them and get your answer is 4p. In this one, you're just multiplying these two first. I'm going to see how you guys do the next one. I'm not going to give the answer. Let me see how you do the next one. You're just adding the top one. Remember, you're adding the top one first. When you add the top one, you get 12x by 4. And then when you divide it by 4, your answer would be 3. So we are adding these two up first. That's 12x. And then you have 4. And then I'm just going to divide it by 4. And my answer would be 3x. That was an easy one. Pankuri, well done. You got all of them right. I'll zoom in for you all. Try doing number 12 now. Number 12 is 11c minus 8d plus 5c plus minus d. Try doing number 12 now. Again, we will take these together. 11c plus 5c together. And the next one together would be 8d minus d. Again, remember, minus and minus becomes plus. You're adding them up. So what would you get your answer? 11c plus 5c. Again, you're adding this up. It'll be 16c. And your sign would remain minus. And that would be 9d. Always remember, minus and minus becomes plus. That's the mistake I'm looking. Some of you are doing that mistake. Aiden, you got it right. The sign would be minus 9d, not plus 9d, because minus and minus becomes plus. That's only for you to do it, but still the sign will remain the same. You can't change the sign to plus. So it'll be minus 9d. Plus minus is minus. Yeah, you don't change the sign. Deepak, you got it now. The next one was an easy one. You're just multiplying 3 by 4 and you get your answer as 12ab. You're just multiplying them and then you get your answer 12ab. In the next one, you're simplifying 3x plus 2y plus 6y minus y. In this, again, we will do the same thing. We'll put brackets together. 3x plus 6x together. And then you will have 2y minus y. So in this one, you need to minus it. And when we add this 3x plus 6x, that gives you 9x. And in this, we are taking the sign of the bigger one. 2 is bigger, so we'll take the sign of 2. That's plus 2y plus y is y. So that's your answer for this one. 9x. That's your answer for this one. Oh, number 14 is down. If you guys are done, can I move down now? My name is not Deepak. My name is Ryan. Okay. Let's move now. Number 14 now. A multiplied by B multiplied by C. That's the easy one. Aiden has already given me the answer is 3AB. Again, you're just multiplying y multiplied by y multiplied by y. Good. It will be y. It won't be 3y. In this one, you have to be careful. That's the mistake everyone do. In this one, your answer would be 3ab. In this, it'll be y power is to 3 because we are multiplying the same way like it's the same way as you do your square roots and your cube roots. The next one is 10d divided by d. How would you guys do that? Aiden, that's good. You got the answer right. Because d to d gets cancelled and then you're just left with 10. So your answer for this one would only be 10. Let's move on to the next page now. Let me zoom in. Now I won't give you guys the answer. I'll give you a minute to do 15. Then I'll just write down the answer for 15. Let's see how many of you do it right now. The simplify is A multiply by 2 multiply by 5. And the next one is simplify B multiply by B. And number C is 2y plus 6y divided by 2. So let me see how many of you can give me the right answer for number 15 because we did so many of them in the previous page. Aiden has given me all the answers till now. Well done, Aiden. I won't put your answers up. I just want to see how many of them do the right one. Aiden got all of them right till now. Aiden, hide your answers from everyone. Pankri got them right. Pankri, hide your answers. Oliver got the first one right. Simona got the first one right. So all of you are really clever. So let's do it together now. So we are just multiplying. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 and then my A. B multiplied by B, as we told you before, will be the B is to power 2. And the next one is 2y plus 6y divided by 2. We are just adding. 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2 and my y is there. I will simplify that and I'll get 4y. Gauri, it's not 2b, it's b cube. B is to power 2. Well done, everyone. So I hope you all are getting it now. You won't get so confused when you have to do your algebra again. So let's move on to number 16. Number 16 is 2t plus 7s. And the next one is you're just simplifying 7a plus 4b minus 3a minus 5b. So you're just doing that. So let's do the first one. That's easy. We are just multiplying them. And then we are getting the answer 14 is t. And the next one, as I told you before, take the 7a minus 3a. I'll put this together. And the next one I'm going to put together is 4b minus 5b. And then I'll get my answer. I'm just going to 7a minus 3a. I'm just going to minus them 4a. And I'm going to take the side of the bigger one, that's 7. And the next one is 4b minus 5b. It's 1. It's b. So I'll take the sign of the bigger one, that's 5. So I will just write 4a minus b. So that's your answer for this one. Good. And the next one now. Try doing number 17 now. Number 17 is 7x. Sorry, let's do number 17, the first one. 6f minus f. The first one is easy. Oliver got it right. It's 5f. And the next one is 7x. I'll zoom that. 7x squared minus 3x plus 3x squared plus 6x. So we will put them again as the same way as we do it. In this, the answer for this one is easy. It's 5f. And the next one, we'll put the x squares together. So it's 7x squared plus 3x squared together and minus 3x plus 6x together. When you do this, 7 plus this would be 10. And we'll take the sign of the bigger one. It's 6. So it'll be plus. Just need to minus them first is 3x. So you got it right. We can do 2 more. It's only 51 now. So move on to the next one now. Yeah, it's 18. Let's move on to the next one. 18 is an easy one. All of you will be able to do it yourself. You don't need help. Try doing it now. I'm tired. How can you be tired in a minute? (12 mn). Good, that's the one. And then simplify the next one. 6j plus 5k. Simplify that and get me the answer. Good, let me just write down. So the first one for 18, the answer for the first one was 12 mn. And the 19 was, you're just multiplying them. It's 30 jk. The next one is 7a plus 6b plus 5a plus 4b. Again, I'll do the same thing what I keep telling you guys we did. 7a plus 5a is the first one. And the next one is minus 6b plus 4b. And then you're adding them up. When you add them up, you get 12a. In this, you are minusing them. That's 2. But what sign you'll take? Obviously, we'll take the sign of 6. That's a bigger one. That's minus. It's 2b. Who got that answer? I'm seeing you guys are doing. Aiden got the right one. Well done, Aiden. Please don't keep asking how many questions are there. If you're tired, you're welcome to leave. So we have a 20 now. I'll stop after 20. That will be the last one for you guys. Try doing 20. That will be the last one for all of you. Good. You got the right answer. So try doing it. 4n minus 3n plus 5n. We did like these lot of times. So you're just doing 4n minus 3n is 1. And then you add them up. 5n plus 1. Add plus 1 is 6. And your answer is 6n. For this one, the first one, you got your answer as 6n. And the next one is, I'm going to see how many of you do this one right. P square plus p square plus p square. Yogi got it right. Good. You're just adding them up. That's p square 2. And the next one is 5 plus 2a plus 7b minus 6a plus b. So what are you going to do in this one? Take the b's together and take the a's together. So 2a minus 6a is my first bracket and 7b plus b is my second bracket. So 5 will remain as it is, and then 2a plus minus 6a is 4. Take the sign of the bigger one, that's plus 4a, and the next one is 7b plus b, that's 8. We don't have to worry about the sign, so the sign would be plus, that's 8b. Let me see how many of you have done that right now. That's good. All of you done it right. I'm just waiting to see your answers. Because you all got it right now. So let's stop sharing the screen. We are done now. I'll stop sharing the screen for you all. So we're done now. I hope you got it now, how to do it. And finally, that was little Beena. Take so much time to tell you guys how to do it. And then I just get, instead of thank you, I just said, I see that you guys do it finally. Very sad. Bye everyone. That was very nice. So you come to know how to do it now. And I'll see you guys on I'll see you guys back on Wednesday now. I hope you understood how to do algebra now. The only mistakes I was seeing all of you were doing was from minus and plus signs. Be careful about your minus and plus signs, all of you. Why not tomorrow? I want you guys, not tomorrow. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. And your party would be on Sunday at 3. That was the time all of you have chosen. Bye everyone. Have a lovely rest of the day. And I'll see you guys back on Wednesday with non-verbal. Bye.